Hello,
Hi,
how have you been?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I am also good.
What's your name?
My name is Brijesh Yadav. I am from India.
Nice to meet you. I'm Yasmin. So, what would you like to do today? Would you like to just talk or do a lesson plan?
Yeah, I would like to listen today.
So is there a particular type of lesson you would like? I mean, do you want to do casual conversation or I will put the pictures up and we will do a particular subject?
So, uh, I choose the subject pick.
Subject, okay.
Yeah,
Uh, What subject would you like to do today?
subject is English, but I want some topic.
Topic, okay. Let me have a look.
Yeah,
Your job? How does that sound?
next.
Next,
Yeah, next.
play. Next,
Yeah, if you have next one, I want previous one.
different. Different one?
No, previous one, pet animal, about pet animal.
You want the animal one?
Yeah, third one.
Okay. This one?
It was next to this topic.
This one? Not this one.
Not before this one. I saw.
This one? This
No, I am saying I saw before this one. So it was like about some pet animal.
animal.
Yeah, but whatever I am seeing, it is not that topic.
Okay. About animal.
Not animal. I am saying that whatever I am saying right now. So I need previous one.
Previous.
Yeah, are you getting right now?
Can you type the one you want? Sorry, I'm confused.
uh, don't worry. So uh, we
No,
can
we will
choose.
try. No, let me listen. Let's start again. Okay. Which one do you want? Which one is it? Is it about? What's the subject? Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Uh, what subject would you like?
I saw, but you skip that subject. So that's what I am saying to you. Before this slide, I saw that topic.
Right.
Uh,
So,
okay, go ahead and skip this topic. Maybe
okay,
I can choose the next one.
not this one.
Yeah, not this one. Next. Yeah, maybe it's maybe interesting.
or maybe this one?
Not childhood memories. Let's talk about.
Yeah, are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure because hardly I get something whatever I like.
Okay.
Yeah,
So we're going to talk about childhood.
yeah.
Okay, so let's have a discussion. Tell me the best thing about your childhood.
So in childhood, everyone has very good memories. Whatever you are doing, whether it is study or it's playing game, anything, whatever we remind this time, so it feels very good. So in our childhood, we used to do a lot of fun with our neighbors' children and with our family, with our friends, and we whenever we used to go for study in school, there are also like that time that time we didn't feel any type of burden whatever we feel right now. So I think it was a golden time for me because in that time you do whatever you want to do. That's it. So I would
Okay.
like something about you, about
Okay.
your memories. Yeah.
My childhood, I played outside a lot in my garden. Um, I had a very big garden and I had a dog, and I always pretended that my dog was my baby. I had a
Wow.
very small dog, and I had a pram, you know, the push chair that you put the baby in and you walk it. I would put my dog in the pram and push her around the garden. And my dog was like my best friend, and I always played with my dog a lot. So that was a very good childhood memory of mine.
Wow. It was very interesting that you love dogs.
Yeah, do you love animals, dogs? What
Yeah, I do, but in my house there are a
cow?
cow
Yeah,
and calf. Yeah. So
nice.
in our rural villages, many people like cows and buffaloes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and
So
yeah,
go
go
on.
ahead.
Go, no, go. You talk.
So in our village, rarely people like pet dogs. Otherwise, there is a lot of dog who roaming throughout the day in our street, and they come to our house. Then we simply give them food to eat, and having eaten the food, they go.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's yeah, in so I'm half Turkish. So my father is Turkish, and in Turkey it is the same. There's so many dogs on the street, but we are all giving them food, and they're just coming to the outside the house, and people put out food, water, and they're happy like that.
yeah, and if you give them food, so they come every day to your house whenever it times come to eating.
Yeah. Do
Yeah,
you like cats?
yeah.
Yeah, I'd
And
like cats.
same applies to cats. They also come anytime in our house, and they sometimes pour milk and run fast whenever they see dogs. So yeah, I like cat too.
Okay. So let's just look at the pronunciation of these words. I want to see how well you pronounce.
Yeah,
Okay, so go for it. Start with the first one.
grandfather,
Here, be born.
grandmother, father, brother, sister, daughter, husband, wife.
Okay.
Yeah.
So can you read this word?
Which one?
This one?
Uh, but slide it same.
Oh, can you not see my pen?
No.
No. Okay. So start with the first picture. Okay.
Yeah.
And what does it say? Can you read it?
Yeah, it's grandmother, but unfortunately, I didn't have.
No. Okay. So the first picture, can you read the writing? It says be born, to be born. Can you see?
Here, nothing is keep on written here.
Yeah. And then what the picture underneath, it says baby. Can you see that?
I don't see.
Can can you see the words?
I can't because it's same slide.
It's the
Did you
same.
change? Yeah.
I did change. Can you now?
In the below there is daughter, son, and I think she didn't change.
Okay. Let's try. Okay. Can you see
Yeah.
this? Can you read this for me?
Yeah, yeah, sure. Do you have brother and sister? If so, how many siblings do you have? So we have to answer this.
You have how many, sorry?
How many sister and brothers it was?
I think we have different things on our PowerPoint. So for the last minutes, let's just talk because I think things are getting confusing. Is that okay?
Yeah, because I think it's happening with just a slide. It was not moving, I think.
Yeah, I think there's a problem with the slide. So let's just talk about it, okay?
Yeah,
So, how many brothers or sisters do you have? Tell me.
yeah. I have a brother and two sister, but both sister are married and my brother also is married. I am just single right now and younger one, so that's why.
And what are their names?
My brother's name?
Yeah.
My brother's name is Akhilesh. I think you can't understand and can't pronounce.
Uh, And your sister's name?
uh, Sarita, do you pronounce? You do understand?
And say again.
Sarita.
Sadita.
Yeah.
Okay. And your mum and your dad, are they still here? Do you have your mum and your dad?
Yeah, I have, and that's why I feel very lucky that I have everything. I have mother, father, sister, uncle, and I have nephew as well who call me Mama. Do you know?
You have a nephew.
Yeah,
Yeah. Uh,
yeah. So it's very interesting when they call you for anything.
yeah, they do. Because
Yeah,
how old? I can see. Oh, I'm so sorry. I hope we can speak next time. But it was lovely to meet you.
yeah. Same here.
Okay, take care.